Section 1. The foundation of ownership. Nemo Dat Quod non habet. The Latin maxim Nemo Dat Quod non habet means no one can give what they do not have. This rule dictates that a seller cannot transfer a better title to goods than they possess. Imagine buying a vintage car only to find out it was stolen. Despite your good intentions, you never acquired valid ownership. The Nemo Dat Rule ensures the integrity of ownership rights, but exceptions like Estoppel address unfair outcomes. One such exception, known as Estoppel, plays a crucial role in mitigating potential injustices. Section 2. Estoppel. When silence speaks volumes. Estoppel protects innocent buyers from the harsh consequences of the Nemo Dat Rule. It prevents a party from denying a previous representation if another party relied on it. Imagine Mr. Smith entrusts his antique watch to Mr. Jones, who sells it to Mr. Brown. If Mr. Smith's actions or inactions led Mr. Brown to believe Mr. Jones had the authority to sell, Estoppel could prevent Mr. Smith from reclaiming the watch. For example, if Mr. Smith knew of the sale and remained silent, his inaction could imply consent. Estoppel hinges on fairness, preventing one party from benefiting from their misrepresentation or silence. It introduces balance, recognizing that the true owner's conduct might contribute to a buyer's predicament. This principle ensures that innocent buyers are not unduly penalized for the seller's misdeeds. Estoppel thus serves as a crucial counterbalance to the strict Nemo Dat Rule. Section 3. Power versus right. The nuances of transferring title. Distinguishing between the power to confer good title and the right to sell is crucial. The power to confer good title refers to the legal capacity to transfer ownership, even without rightful ownership. For instance, a thief can sell a stolen bicycle but cannot transfer valid title. The right to sell means the seller has both the legal capacity and entitlement to transfer ownership. Buyers must exercise caution and conduct due diligence to ensure the seller has both the power and the right to sell. Section 4. Real-world complications, case studies, and ownership disputes. Numerous cases highlight the intricacies of the Nemo Dat Rule and its exceptions. In A Fraudster Sold Goods to an Innocent Buyer, the court ruled the fraudster couldn't transfer valid title. Another case involved a clerk selling timber fraudulently. The court emphasized verifying the seller's authority. These cases underscore the importance of due diligence in transactions. Buyers must take reasonable steps to ascertain the seller's right to sell. Conducting thorough checks can prevent legal and financial consequences. These real-world examples illustrate the practical application of ownership principles. Understanding these cases helps navigate the complexities of ownership disputes. Section 5. Protecting your interests, due diligence for buyers and sellers. Both buyers and sellers must prioritize due diligence to safeguard their interests. Buyers should verify the seller's identity, confirm ownership, and ensure the legal right to sell. This includes requesting proof of ownership, verifying identity, and conducting lien searches. Sellers should maintain clear records, verify buyers' identity, and use secure payment methods. Detailed records and secure transactions minimize the risk of disputes. By embracing these practices, both parties can navigate sales transactions confidently. Due diligence reduces the risk of legal disputes and financial losses.